Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create multiple folders inside a folder in any Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store so search for one application name as folder in folder. So search this application, and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. Now just minimize it and just drag this application on the home screen, and now just tap on it. Now you will see this kind of user interface, and it's showing some instructions to click on the three dot icons on the right side. Just tap on it. So now you will get a tons of options here, like select items, edit label, add folder, so and so. So firstly, let us jump to the settings under this application. Just tap on the settings, and now under the settings you will get the themes options, icon size, icon pack, adaptive icon. When you can back up the settings or which you have set, when you can restore the settings. So these are the options you are gonna get, so you can check out by yourselves. So once again tap on these three dot icons, and now here you will see here an option written add folder, right? And just below to it you will see one more option, add auto folder. So if you tap on this add auto folder, you will see already tons of folder names created. So if you select on this respective auto folder, then what it will do, say if I select this games, then it will create a game folder and it will automatically include the games inside this folder. So you can see here I have one game installed on my respective Android smartphone, so it's being automatically adding the games application inside this folder. It has auto created. So if you don't feel like creating by yourself, then you can use this auto folder. But here one drawback is that you won't be able to add different applications here on this auto created folder. So if you want to add your own custom folder, then once again tap on this three dot icons and just tap on this add folder. So you can give a name. So let me give a name choice just to give an example, and now just tap on it, and now once again tap on this three dot icons, and now you will see here option add apps. Just tap on it. Now it will show you all the apps that are being installed on your respective Android smartphones or tablets. Say I want to add this Amazon application. You can select multiple applications. Just to give you an example, I'm selecting only one. Tap on OK. So you can see here. So if you want to remove the respective application, just tap on it, and now you can click on this delete icon and you can delete it. So let me add it again. And now if you want to create more folders, then just tap on this three dot icons again, and once again click on this add folder, and let me give a name personal. Click on OK. So I have added. Just open the folder. Just once again click on this three dot icons, click on this add apps, and let me select some applications here. So I've added, and now say I want to move one app that is a return of 500 px. I want to move this application to this choice folder. So what I will do is just select it, and you can see here scissor like icon. Just click on this cut. Now just tap on this back arrow icon, and now just open the choice folder and just paste it. Now it will be pasted, but in the auto created folder you won't be able to add applications. So let me show you. Say if I cut it from here, and if I open this games folder, so you can see here the paste option is being grayed out because this folder, that is the game folder, is created automatically since we have selected the auto folder option. So by using this application named as folder and folder, you can easily create multiple folders inside a folder in any Android smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.